Top 6 Best Tactical Pens for 2022 for self-defense and writing. Hey guys, today we're going to take a sneak peek at the best tactical pens in the market. So if you're planning to buy one, then you're at the right place. Please do check out the description below to see all the featured products and their buy link. Let's get started. Number 1. KEPEAK. This tactical pen cap is made of tungsten steel, and the pen body is made of aerospace-grade aluminum, which has excellent strength and portability. Break the window to escape in an emergency. A comfortable tactile pen with a round nib, suitable for everyday use or emergency situations. This hidden, low-key, unique attackers can suddenly have excellent attack capabilities, protect themselves from attackers, and identify with DNA collectors. The clip is very heavy duty and should keep the pen in the shirt pocket where it belongs. The replacement cartridges are identical to Parker gel cartridges, which are available anywhere. The pen tip extends and retracts very smoothly. With the KEPEAK, you can go from writing to thrusting as soon as you can make contact with your attacker. Number 2. ANKAKA. ANKAKA is a brand established in 2010. They pride themselves on the label. The lead maker of tactical pens. Their focus has always been on engineering fully loaded tactical pens for customer satisfaction. The ANKAKA tactical pen is made using aircraft aluminum. They use their patented thread design on the grip of the tactical pen. Tungsten carbide is the material used by ANKAKA for the tip of the pen. It is also a flashlight, cap opener, screwdriver, and wrench. The ANKAKA tactical pen ensures a heavily loaded tactical pen as it is made to be highly durable. Its tip can break glass, metal, and ceramic. It also is a wrench, a screwdriver, a flashlight, and a bottle opener for your day-to-day activities. The agronomic grip is far superior to any other pen I own, which feels very stable in any form you hold it. It is highly concealable and smooth looking when you hold it in your hand or just carrying around. The multi-tool is handy and of high quality made. Number 3. Dispatch EDC. This cool tactical pen cap is made of tungsten steel, and the pen body is made of aerospace-grade aluminum, which has excellent strength and portability. Now break the window to escape in an emergency. It is a comfortable pen with a round tip, suitable for everyday use or emergency situations. Clip to your mole system or carry in your pocket, briefcase, laptop bag, backpack, purse, or bug-out bag. This hidden low-key unique attackers can suddenly have excellent attack capabilities, protect themselves from attackers. The aluminum handle combines strength with minimal weight, diamond thread design at the handle, extraordinary anti-skid ability. It is suitable for everyday use, travel, or outdoor activities. Head design, handle thread design, excellent slip resistance. Number 4. Smith & Wesson SWPEN MP2BK. Smith & Wesson focuses on creating knives that are ready for all situations. Whether you are a knife collector, survivalist, or first responder, you can trust that your S&W knife will be the tool you can rely on in any situation. This pen is not only wonderfully designed and solidly made of 6061 T6 aircraft aluminum. If you ask my personal about this pen, I would say that I use a pen every day at work and hate the look and feel of a run-of-the-mill throwaway pen. Not an issue with this bad boy. It looks great, writes great, and has a lovely, comfortable feel in my hand as I write. The screw-on cap is a positive for me, as it eliminates the chance of the lid falling off and getting lost. Plus, there is something extraordinary about the sound it makes as I take the cap off. When I'm asking to sign something, I enjoy the eye rolls I get as I take the extra seconds to get the cap off. Number 5. TAKEFLIGHT. This tactical pen has everything you could want from this product, with an included multi-tool and its multi-grade design. It is a great option to keep in your pocket at all times. The multi-tool features a ballpoint pen, a glass breaker tip, a bottle opener, and a flashlight, meaning you have everything you can need in any situation. Not to mention, the pen writes well, so you get a great pen out of this tactical product. There have been a few comments about the bottle opener being able to break off. However, this product comes with a 1-year warranty, so you can get a hold of the company and get it replaced. It also is lightweight, even though it is made from heavy-duty materials. The finish also flakes off this pen, so be aware of that when you are using it. If an easy-to-remove finish isn't a huge deal, then this might be precisely what you need when it comes to a tactical pen. With multiple functions and a 1-year warranty, you'll feel great using this pen and knowing the company has your back. It's also a high-grade build, so you won't have to worry about the glass breaker tip breaking or the pen snapping at all. Number 6. Gerber Gear 3100188ON. Danger has a way of presenting itself when you least expect it. That's why Gerber, in collaboration with law enforcement professionals, developed the impromptu tactical pen. Sure, it's a pen, and it'll serve to take notes as a good pen should, but it's not your average writing implement. It fits your daily routine. Sure, it's stout, but it fits easily in your pocket like an ordinary pen, and will become part of your daily routine, on the job and off. Whether you're in your vehicle or responding to a call in the field, it's easy to make the tactical pen part of your standard equipment. But unlike an ordinary ballpoint pen, this one will be there when you need more than just a writing implement. This USA-made push-button pen features a write-in-the-rain ballpoint pen cartridge that is effective in wet and dry conditions. And the tool's machined steel body is stout enough to rise to the unexpected call of duty. Okay, that's all for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. Please tell us which products you'd like us to review next in the comments section. And don't forget to check out the description box for all the buy links of products featured today. Thank you.